Hello, I'm Miss Madeline. I'm the speech assistant here at Pathways. So a lot of my students love the song Old MacDonald, and they also especially love the cat in Old MacDonald. And a lot of these kids also have goals for following directions with colors and answering questions about colors. So today we're gonna do a new twist on Old MacDonald that will address following directions with colors and answering questions about colors. So if that's something you're interested in, here we go. All right, so today Old MacDonald has a little bit of a problem because his cats got into some colorful paint and now they're all different colors and their footprints are also all different colors and they're getting footprints all over his farm. So, first cat we're going to talk about is the blue cat. Everybody point to the blue cat. There he is. There's the blue cat. Good. And which footprint do you think belongs to the blue cat? Yeah, the blueprint. Good. So, let's sing. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a blue cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a blueprint here and a blueprint there. Here a print, there a print, everywhere a blueprint. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, so he had a blue cat and a blueprint. So next, can you touch the green cat? That's the green cat. Nice job. Where is the green print? There it is. All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a green cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a green print here and a green print there. Here a print, there a print, everywhere a green print. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right. Next is the purple cat. Point to the purple cat. There it is. There's the purple cat. Where is the purple print? There it is. There's the purple print. All right. So Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a purple cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a purple print here and a purple print there. Here a print, there a print, everywhere a purple print. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I'm going to take the purple print down. Then I'm going to take the purple cat down. All right. So, last, point to the pink cat. There's the green cat. There's the pink cat. Ah, that's the pink cat. Okay. Where is the pink print? There's the pink print. All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pink cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a pink print here and a pink print there. Here a print, there a print, everywhere a pink print. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right, taking the pink print down. Taking the pink cat down. Okay, so today we had a blue cat. Everybody point to the blue cat. There it is. We had a purple cat. Point to the purple cat. There it is. We had a green cat. Point to the green cat. And last, there was a pink cat. Yeah, nice job. So which cat was your favorite? I liked the purple cat. So that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, we will be having a group Wednesdays at 3:30 of a lot of different simple songs. So you can ask your teacher for more information about how to join. Thanks. Bye.